Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, June 5th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had a tough day today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged 216 points. It went below 15,000 for the first time since the beginning of May, and I think lost about 1.5%, something like that. Tough day. You know what they're saying is that there's a lot of nervousness in the market about the economy. They're not too sure if the Fed is going to keep pumping good things into the market for us and all this and all that. You know, I tend to think that this is pretty much just a normal correction. We've had a huge run up. You know, May was a terrific month for stocks. It seems like from May 2nd on until just the end of the month, it was just like every day the market was going up. So we got to have some kind of correction from that, and I think that's all we're seeing right now. I think getting the Dow back down under 15,000 is going to benefit us. We lost about $4,300 in our closed out trades. We only came in with a couple things, but they both got stopped out right at the bottom. So they were, you know, like $2,000 plus losses on two markets. So we ended up with $4,300 in the red on what we closed out. And then we got in early on in the day in two markets, and of course those aren't doing very well either. So we're showing about $2,200 in negative open trade equity. But still, you know, on balance, you know, we lose $4,000 in closed out and carrying $2,000 negative in open trade equity. This is not a disaster, folks. We can make over $20,000 on a good up day. And we will, because of this drop, I think we're going to see some very strong up moves very, very soon. I'm not worried about this at all. Anyway, that's my thoughts on it. You may disagree, but I really don't think this means anything. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking here at the Dow, and you can see here we took really quite a dive today, following through from a dive yesterday. And there's not much to say except that's a down market. And the Dow did close down 216 points. I don't have anything positive to show you, but I'll show you one of the trades that we got into today that I can't tell you for sure what's going to happen, but I'm not too worried about it. This is AMBA, which is Ambarella, and Ambarella gapped up, had this big gap up, and you know, we buy gaps, we buy strength, and so market gaps up, we're going to buy it, and we bought Ambarella right here, and of course it just really failed, and so we're showing you know, I think a negative $1,500 loss on Ambarella. But you know, I look at this chart, and really it's still closed up about 3%, 2.5% I think, for the day. So it did not fill this gap, it did not fill this back gap, it just backed off from where we got it. If we get any kind of strength coming into the market tomorrow, you know, we'll do okay. It's just one of those things. But anyway, that was one of our bad markets today. So we'll just have to wait until tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.